Box turtles and tortoises may look alike at first glance, but they have key differences in terms of habitat, physical characteristics, diet, and behavior. Here's a breakdown. 1. Classification. Box turtles belong to the genus Terrapene and are a type of terrestrial turtle. They are part of the broader family of pond turtles. Tortoises belong to the family Testudinidae and are exclusively terrestrial reptiles, specifically adapted for life on land. 2. Habitat. Box turtles live on land but prefer environments near water, such as forests, meadows, and wetlands. They often spend time in damp areas and can swim short distances if needed. Tortoises are strictly land dwellers and are commonly found in deserts, grasslands, and scrublands. They are not adapted to swim and avoid water other than for drinking or cooling off in shallow puddles. 3. Shell. Shape and structure. Box turtles have a domed shell with a unique hinge on the lower shell, plastron, that allows them to completely close up when threatened, like a box. Tortoises generally have a thicker, heavier, and more rounded or dome-shaped shell without a hinge. Their shells are more rigid, providing robust protection without the need to close fully. 4. Feet and legs. Box turtles have slightly webbed toes with claws, adapted for both walking on land and swimming in shallow water. Tortoises have thick, stumpy legs with blunt, elephant-like feet that are better suited for walking on rough or sandy terrain rather than swimming. 5. Diet. Box turtles are omnivorous, eating a mix of plants, fruits, insects, worms, and even small amphibians. Tortoises are typically herbivorous, feeding primarily on grasses, leafy plants, flowers, and certain fruits. They have digestive systems better suited for fibrous plant material. 6. Behavior and activity. Box turtles are more active in moist, temperate environments and tend to wander short distances. They may soak in shallow water to stay cool and hydrated. Tortoises are adapted to drier climates and tend to dig burrows for shelter from heat. They are more sedentary and conserve energy by staying in a smaller range. 7. Reproduction. Box turtles lay their eggs in shallow nests dug into soft, moist soil. The female can lay a small clutch of eggs several times a year. Tortoises lay eggs in burrows or nests dug into dry soil. Depending on the species, they can lay a clutch with a range of 2 to 12 eggs, usually once a year. 8. Lifespan. Box turtles can live for 30 to 50 years in the wild, with some reaching over 100 years in captivity. Tortoises are known for their long lifespan, with some species commonly living over 100 years in the wild and even longer in captivity. 9. Geographical range. Box turtles are primarily found in North America, especially in the United States. Tortoises are distributed globally, with high diversity in Africa, Asia, the Americas, and islands like the Galapagos. 10. Pet suitability. Box turtles can be kept as pets, but require specific conditions like humidity and access to both water and land areas in their enclosure. They also need varied diets. Tortoises are popular pets and are generally easier to care for as they don't need water for swimming, but they still require large enclosures with room to roam, warm temperatures, and UV lighting. In summary, while both box turtles and tortoises live on land, box turtles are semi-aquatic with webbed feet and hinged shells for protection, while tortoises are fully terrestrial with elephantine legs and heavier, more domed shells, adapted for arid climates and a herbivorous diet.